Okay, here is Rodrigo Togores again to play Karakuri another time. I didn't really enjoy this deck yesterday. I think I lost the games because I was really unlucky. But okay, we are going to play another game, another match. Karakuri TCG match. So, okay, so we have to wait a ton of years. Okay, let's play. Okay, we start. Here, good luck to this guy. And let's see. I was enjoyed drawing Starlight. Okay, then we can go Zip. Special summon defense. Normal summon. Effect. Activate. To grave. Special summon. View. Special summon defense. To attack. Counter. Draw a card. To grave. And to grave. We summon Buradon, special summon defense. View. Okay, what could we draw out of this? I think best option is to summon this. Okay, if we draw a teleport, we can continue. So, effect. We switch this. We add counter here to grave, draw. So, okay, now we have Reborn. With the Reborn, we could do another level 7, but we really don't get advantage from that, so we are going to pass here. We could level 7, exceed. Okay, so end turn. Let's see what happens. Oh. Is he going to set more than one card? Oh, okay. Storm. Okay. If he sets 2, oh, 4 cards. Okay, this could be a morphine jar. So we are here comes the Starlight. Okay, so MST there, and MST there. That should be a Mirror Force. Okay. So my opponent plays traps and set monsters. So he starts. We are going to side in the Cyber Dragons. We are going to remove the Sandmines for the fortress. The big A for the fortress. Then we don't know what he's playing. MST, Precision. So more spot removal and less defense. Maybe my way of thinking is absolutely wrong, but and this take out downsiding. Let's see what happens. Now this game I play like 0 defense, only solemn judgment. Maybe see what happens. Karakuri. Okay, what is he playing? Okay, we can make level 8. So this, we're going to special summon. Effect. MST there. Okay, so we are going to special summon this and move to the fence. Pray, withdraw a card, and then we would prefer. Okay, let's shot this. Maybe we hit dimensional prison, maybe not. Let's see, sound removal. Oh, sweet. So another mystical. No, what is this card there? Storm, Dark Hole. Okay. I don't really care so much. Oh, wind-ups, yeah. As expected. Okay. It's not a really big problem because we can make a lot of things. Normal summon. So. To death. To attack and to grave. Okay, so 2 extra. To grave. What do we think of teleport? needs to make some cool move. So, okay. Let's see. Shark. Monster Shark, if he has level 3 on Shark, he can make... yeah, okay. Okay. He's going to... I think he has Reborn. Okay. Huh. 200. Cyber Dragon will be... that gets banished or destroyed? Banish. Okay. Cyber Dragon. No. Oh. I need to read this. Okay, that is... Okay, we are going to search. Okay. Oh, yeah. True. Okay, so yeah, it's that's happened to. Okay, so I get to kick. So that set and term. Yeah, I always forget. And the tournament happened to me. Oh, that's not combo breaker. Combo breaker. Okay. What odds do I have? Maybe Cyber Dragon, maybe not. Okay, that's red. Make sure not make the effect. So he can make Tyros. Okay, okay. Papito, yeah. Okay, my monster with 0 attack should be easy to get this. The thing with Reborn already happened to me in the regionals. But my opponent made Monster Reborn, and I said, yeah, you cannot. To death. 1-8. Doesn't he kill me with 1-9? No. So he summons a rabbit. And I think I have like 0 oats. Yeah. I am a defeat. I cannot get. So now we are changing our plan. That I start and think that 3, 1, 2, 3. I can set in more defensive card. No, I think I like this so. Swap cards. Mirrorforce is really not good against this. Maybe I could play. Okay. We are playing back the main deck. Trying to combo off is always good. Okay. So he had Maxi. So we should left ourselves in the best position after the Maxi, and that to summon Landois. Against this deck is not bad, Landois. Enter. 3. I usually don't play Maxi and Dark Hole easy. Tragedy. Oh, he's playing Patrick Huban's deck. Yeah, the option of I still don't know why Holman didn't play Decree or that's not a tuner, but we are attacking anyway. You are going to pressure me? No. Set, and let's try to go up the next turn to Grave. Magician again, that's S17. Here we can. let's see what's this. Okay, so main phase 2, we are going to summon Netria Beast, and then and 4k for me. I think it's not, maybe it's not so great move, but okay, yeah. Here's Rat. Yeah, let's see, Leviathan Dragon. At the tournament they killed me so first turn. I hope to have good. Okay, then this is gone. That's the second time this happens to me. I have to attack. That's not good. Okay, so that was it. I don't like this deck. Yeah, and with defeat. Good game. This. Yeah. So that was it. I think Juanma's version not playing only like Trapstone or so, it's not really good. And this already cost me, only playing 2 already cost me 2 games, so goodbye and subscribe.